Welcome to Tikiliper channel. Today's video, I'll show you how to change your search engine from Bing to Google on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. So at first, just go to your browser and here just search for anything. Simply anything, just search for anything. As you can see, it has been using Bing, which is from Microsoft. And if you want to change it, what you need to do is click here on the three dot icon. From here, just go inside settings. Then from settings, go to privacy, search and services. From here, go to search and connected experience. And from here, go to the address bar and search. Then here, you need to select search engine used in the address bar and change it from Bing to Google. And after that, if you search for anything, for example, hello, you'll see it has been searched in Google. And basically that is how to change your search engine from Bing to Google on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.